Hey guys, welcome back to my channel New Growth Naturals. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the importance of deep conditioning your hair. And not to worry, if you're new to the natural hair community, I'll break that down for you. Just in case you're meeting for the first time, my name is Samantha. I'm a natural hair specialist and also a licensed hair loss practitioner. So yes girl, you can take my advice. So on this channel, I post videos on how to care for your natural hairstyles, and so much more. So if you have not subscribed as yet, go ahead, hit the subscription button below and click the notification bell so whenever I post new content, you'll be updated. Now, what is a deep conditioner? A deep conditioner is a product that you use to deep condition your hair. Most of you already know what a conditioner is. We have conditioner that we rinse out of our hair that we generally use after shampooing, and we have leave-in conditioners that is designed to moisturize your hair and keep that moisture on your strand much longer than if you had not moisturized your hair. So a deep conditioner is a thicker product that is filled with nutrients that simply penetrate the strands, go far more deeper than a regular conditioner that you'd use. Now, if you consistently use a deep conditioner on your hair, it will strengthen your hair, moisturize your hair. You'll notice the difference in your overall strands over a period of time, and that is just super awesome. Now, here's how you use a deep conditioner. Now, depending on the instruction on your individual deep conditioner, you'd follow those instructions, of course. But in general, deep conditioners are used after you shampoo your hair. You'll apply that deep conditioning product from your scalp to the ends of your hair, focusing on the ends, of course, because they're the oldest part. They're the part that really need all that goodness because they're more susceptible to breakage and damage. Yes. So once you've lathered your hair, rinse it out, you put the deep conditioner product on thoroughly. You want to make sure it reaches every strand. You're going to go ahead and cover your hair with a plastic cap or whatever you call it. In your country, we call it steam cap. But pretty much it's a plastic cap. And then you're going to sit for 20 minutes. Whether you're going to be under a dryer, if you're going to be using a hooded dryer, you can use that for like 10 to 15 minutes and that should be sufficient. I usually recommend to my clients, once you're not using a dryer or you're not using any form of heat to do your deep conditioner, that you should allow it at least 45 minutes with your plastic cap on, do your chores around your house, whatever you need, take a walk in the sun, whatever you need to do to get that heat, because the heat is what really lifts the cuticle of the hair to allow all that deep conditioning goodness into the strands. So once you've done that, you want to go through your hair by rinsing it thoroughly with water. Do not leave deep conditioning products on your hair, because usually deep conditioning products has, ingredients that are not meant to be left on the hair, and some persons do leave these things on their hair thinking that, oh, it's gonna make my hair moisturize for longer. But girl, you're doing more harm than good. These products built up on your strand over time will actually cause breakage. So while your hair may feel softer, if you have not washed it off thoroughly, for the long run it may cause severe damage, and we don't want that. So guys, rinse your deep conditioner off thoroughly. Once you have done that, you want to go in with your regular moisturizer or your leave-in conditioner or your oils, whatever it is that you follow through with, and you want to do your protective style. So that was a really quick video for you. Let's recap. So a deep conditioner is a product that is designed to straighten your hair, to moisturize your hair, to give your hair all the nourishment that it would need, that you won't generally get from a topical product that you apply daily for moisture. It goes far deeper into the strand than your regular conditioner. A deep conditioner, for it to be effective, you definitely have to use some form of heat to lift the cuticle strand of your hair, the cuticle layer of your hair, for that product to penetrate the strand and do what it is supposed to do. When using a deep conditioner, ensure that you rinse it off thoroughly from your hair to prevent breakage. You should also, side note, how often should you do a deep conditioning treatment? Well, as often as you wash your hair. Some persons wash their hair daily, which I don't recommend if you have type 4 natural hair, especially. If you have like a TWA, which means teeny weeny afro, it's okay. You can just take shower, wash your hair every day, and that is fine. But if you have type 4 hair, meaning that your hair is really coily, curly, you do not want to take it as a practice to wash your hair up every day of the week. Simply because our hair has natural oils that is meant to protect the strands, and by washing it constantly you strip away that natural oil, and then that will lead to breakage in the future. So you definitely don't want to be doing that. But I do understand if you have dandruff or itchy scalp or other scalp condition that you definitely need to, for a period of time, to treat it, and you need to be washing it daily or every other day or every week. I do understand that. But as a rule, I deep condition my hair twice per month, or at least once per month. For those that do long-term protective style, you want to make sure whenever you shampoo your hair, especially if you're using a hard shampoo, especially if you're shampooing a lot, especially if you have not been moisturizing your hair, do follow through with a deep conditioning product. Anyway guys, that's all the time I have for today. It was nice coming here to share with you. Remember, Jesus loves you, so be very good. See you in the comment section below. If you have any questions about this video, about anything else, I'll be sure to respond to you. Bye.